Hi, and welcome to this short tutorial video about the second part of our Spring Release 2020. We have continued our journey to make your daily work with feedback as efficient and simple as possible. Now we proudly present Import Questions. We have completely overhauled and extended your options to import questions when designing a quest. Import Questions has been moved to the drop-down menu Add, where it logically belongs, and now you can import questions from a quest or a file. Import from request. Would you like to reuse selected questions from a previous quest you worked with or from a colleague's quest? Simply copy them over. It's that easy now. Our wizard leads you seamlessly through the process, offers interactive grids, previews, and search functions to find the relevant quests and questions, and then it adds the selected questions automatically to your new quest with all the relevant settings. Import from file. We overhauled the existing import functionality based on copy-paste and now offer the option to import from an Excel or CSV file as well. The copy-paste option is still available and has been streamlined and embedded in the new wizard for import questions. Import from file offers a user-friendly and intuitive import wizard that supports all question types found in Essentials. Pro tip, we encourage you to combine the new import questions functionality with the recently added shared for duplication functionality. That way, expert users within your organization can build example quests with typical questions for your business and share them for duplication. All the other users can then find this question bank or question library directly in the wizard and select and reuse the questions relevant for their feedback activities. It's super efficient in just a couple of clicks. In addition, we extended our shortcuts to insights for you and added neo-interval filters for intuitive trend analysis. Try the new interval filter yesterday to see changes compared to today, or try last week compared to this week. Pro tip, operating with rolling interval filters is extra powerful when offered to viewers of live reports. It lets them interactively work with the insights that they are presented online and in real time. Finally, we rounded up this release with some smart improvements to exports. For example, include all questions for raw data exports so you never miss any data or questions anymore. We also overhauled and improved charts in PowerPoint exports. They are now fully editable elements. This concludes this short tutorial video. For more information, please check the detailed release information and our user community, or reach out to your local Questback office.